In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a cinematic flash transition in Premiere Pro. So on the timeline, I have these two clips. And the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the project panel and we're gonna click on the new item button and then create an adjustment layer. Drag the adjustment layer on top of your two clips, just like this. Now move 8 frames forward using the right arrow key and then hit C on the keyboard and make a cut and then delete the leftover part. Move back towards the middle and move 8 frames backwards and then extend the adjustment layer. Alright, perfect. Now go to the effects panel and add the levels effect onto the adjustment layer. Go back to the beginning of the adjustment layer and hit the stopwatch of the white input level and then go to the end and make another keyframe without changing the value. Alright, now go to the center and change the value of this setting to 0. And that's it. That's how you make a flash transition in Premiere Pro. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.